Alright, I've decided to come on down to my studio and try to get back to work on my clay. I've been away from it too long, and I'm afraid if I stay away from it any longer, I won't know how to sculpt anymore. Anyway, I'm going to pick this up in my robe. Just not going to get dressed up to sculpt today. I'm going to have several appointments that I've got to go to, cardiology, all kinds of things. And it's going to be one tomorrow, one Thursday, and one next Thursday. So I'm not certain I'm going to be sculpting every day, but I'm going to put the old college try in and try to get as much as I can done. And I hope you guys don't mind. All right, let's get busy on my clay. Go. I don't know how much good I'm going to do. Still not 100%, but like I said, I just couldn't take the bed any longer, or sitting up there doing nothing in front of a computer. And this whole thing's been so overwhelming mentally to me. Let me explain something to you. If you're got a pain in your chest and it builds up and it expands to your shoulders and down your arms, you're not having a pleurisy or a little gas on your stomach. You're having a heart attack. And don't delay, and get to the doctor as soon as you can. And I was fortunate to have a friend to come over and pick me up and take me to the hospital and go with me to the emergency ward there in Bozeman last week at this time. I was already in my room by this time last week, and had just had my stent put in my heart, which is an amazing operation. I mean, I didn't even know they did it. I asked them when they were going to put it in. They said they already put it in. So, anyway, just an interesting situation. And the pain was pretty bad. It was uncomfortable, and I broke out in a cold sweat. But it wasn't like they portray on TV, where you clutch your chest and fall to the ground dying. But anyway, I had a artery that in the heart that was 90% clogged up. And so that's why they put the stent in. So, it's been an experience I would have much rather have skipped. But I couldn't, so anyway, it's the way life is. Sometimes it doesn't go quite the way you expect it to go. All right, everybody, I'm going to come back after I get a little further along. That's Donna Evans. She's been an absolute angel for me. She's helped me get to the hospital. She was here soon after I had the heart attack and got me to the hospital, and then went over to the emergency or critical care center, where they had me for most of the afternoon. But anyway, she's coming over to help get the crap off my couch over there, so that when I start getting visits from all these medical people, they got someplace to sit. Thank you, Donna.
Yes, you're welcome, Dave.
And so if you hear a bunch of noise in the background, that's what's going on. All right, be right back. All right, I'm working on the, don't worry about me, just go ahead and do what you're gonna do. I'm gonna work on the stirrups so that I can put it on her feet. It's gonna be a wooden stirrup, and that's a style of stirrup the mountain men would use. So, be right back. By the way, Donna has a very understanding husband who allows her to come out and help people when they need help. And let me tell you, she's helped several of my friends. And I mean, there aren't many people in this world that would do that. Yeah, this whole experience has been mind-numbing, to say the least. All right, I gotta make another stirrup, and I'll be right back. By the way, Donna was a EMT for over 30 years, and so she's got a record of helping a lot of people in this Madison Valley. Okay, I'm gonna put that there for now until I can sculpt that foot a little bit better. All right, I'm just putting the leggings on her right now, and it would have been worn to protect her legs from underbrush and stuff like that. This is the dress here, and I've just got to figure out how I'm going to sculpt it. I don't have a model actually sitting on a horse, but I also know they have to have some reaction to the dress being tucked under herself and with the baby cradle in front of it. So, and I'm finding that my shoulders are just killing me because I haven't used my I haven't been sculpting for so long. It's gotten out of practice. So I'm going to sculpt as long as I can, but I may have to quit in a little while. All right, I'm going to work on her dress a little bit. I'm going to put a fold that comes down for the dress here. Just putting the stirrup strap on. Okay. I'm fitting her belt. I'm going to have to put tacks on it or some kind of design. I want to do it before I put it on permanently. But she is going to have a belt. All right, I got to put some design on that belt, and I'm gonna cut it right at the back where it joins. Let's see. All right. Okay, I'm gonna put some tacks on this belt, and which means I'm gonna have to get a light down here so I can see what the heck I'm doing. There we go. It's best to do that now instead of waiting till after I get it on her. Alright, I'm continuing on with the belt. It's taken forever. Alright, I put the dress, the belt on. Now I'm going to fill in underneath the belt. I know it looks like I haven't done much, but I think I've got quite a bit done on that leg, and at least get this dress started and the belt on her dress. Alright everybody, until next time, I might remind you that I won't be here tomorrow or Thursday of this week. Alright, good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.